Take a look at this question. This is similar to the question that we solved before, but slightly different though. 12m squared can be written as 3 times 4m squared, right? Plus 3 times 11m, that 3m can be written as 3 times 11m minus 3 times 3. So we can take 3 as the common factor, right? So when you take 3 outside, 3 parenthesis 4m squared plus 11m minus 3. Now when you look at this equation, right, this equation looks similar to the equation that we solved before, right? This looks similar to ax squared plus bx plus c. And we already know how to solve ax squared plus bx plus c, right? So we can solve this part of the equation. Now same as before, we can use FOIL method to solve this, right? You can write 4 as a factor of maybe 1 times 4 is 4, and similarly you can write 3 as a factor of maybe 1 and 3, right? 1 and 3. So same as before, when you multiply the numbers on the outside, which is this and this, right, you will get 1 times 3, okay, and then you multiply the factors on the inside. That's 1 times 3, that's 1 times 4, 1 times 4. So if you notice it's negative 3, right? So negative 3. So one of these should be negative, correct? So let's try negative 1 and 3, okay? So 1 times 3, you know, this 1 and 3 that I'm talking about, okay? 1 times 3 is 3 plus, and here it's negative 1 times 4. Put that in parentheses. So this will be, that will be negative 1. So this negative 1 is not equal to 11, right? So this is not the factors. Now let us try 4 1 and negative 1 3, okay? So 4 times 3 plus negative 1 times negative 1. So you know that negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 3, okay? So actually, I'm sorry, I think I made a slight mistake. This would be, that term would be negative 1 times 1, not negative 1 times negative 1. So the sum of this would be 12 plus negative 1, that would be 11, right? So this 11 is equal to this 11. So here's the solution. We got the right factors. Now if you look at this, right, these two are the outer, right? And let me, this is the outer, numbers on the outside. These are the numbers on the inside, right? Okay. So the answer would be, okay, this is 4 and 3 are the numbers on the outside. Far end, 4 and 3 would go here, and negative 1 goes here. These are the numbers on the inside, right? 1 goes here. See, these are the numbers on the inside and 4 and 3 are the numbers on the outside. So 4m minus 1 times 1m plus 3. So 1, okay, that would be 4m minus 1 times m plus 3, right? So what is the answer? The answer is, so here this, what is that? That's the that's the factors of this, correct? So the answer is 3 times, oops, 4m minus 1 times m plus 3.